okay. Be sure to ask. You can use the chat to put your question, or if you want to do something, especially against Cypress or another thing. What about Snyk? Snyk. So let's take a look of Snyk. And yes, I saw that we have a really good demo and information about Snyk in the tickets. So you can see that the really cool thing with this feature. We have time for the control center. Just wait 2-3 minutes. Just we need to check that, and then I will be happy to do the full demo of JHiupster control center. So the really cool things with Snyk is that it won the vote and you show it in last. Yes, it's true. It's not fair. It's not fair because I like to keep the bad things for the end, just like I used to do when I was a child. So I keep my favorite candy to eat at the end because it will be it will be more cool for me. And yes, but it will be quite fast to check what Snyk is. So Snyk allow us to check vulnerabilities in the code and your dependencies. And the really cool things with Snyk is that people that contribute to JHiupster are directly from Snyk. So this is really cool thing. So people that help us to make JHiupster more important, and by hiding their own solution. So I want to skip everything here because we don't have a lot of time. But I want to, where I think there is a, yes, you should read it. This in a Snyk blog you can see, and Brian that did the PR wrote a blog note, an article to explain what Snyk do and to show us exactly how to use Snyk in your application. So when you generate an application with the JHiupster v7, you just have to be sure that you already have installed Snyk. I did it already just before the stream, and I have to type Snyk out. So let's do it. So move it here to be easy. Oh, come on, yes. So let's do Snyk auth. And it'll be redirect me, and because I'm already registered in their website, I just have to click on authenticate and I'm be authenticated. So now this is the first step. Also you can hide your token, but I didn't do it for now. And I just have to copy and to execute Snyk test with the old projects flag, because we have Maven and npm project in the monolith. So we need to tell to Snyk to test both projects. So just do it, and then the analyzing is in progress. So wait a minute. Of course, you need to have an active internet wire to check the vulnerabilities and to be sure that Snyk will check the vulnerabilities from their own databases. No, just try to. Do you see clearly? Yes, I think it's correct right now. And we can see that Snyk found 3 issues and 3 vulnerable paths. And the really cool thing is that Snyk will tell us, okay, we have a problem with this high severity problem with that. We undertow and undertow 2.1.5 version, and yeah, so we don't want to have details. I think upgrades. Hey, he give advice here. This is it. So you can upgrade undertow 2.3.7 to the 2.4.0 to fix it. So if this is clear enough, you just need to read what Snyk tell us and do the things to be sure that the severity and the problem will be fixed. And so this is used to fix by upgrading an issue with not direct upgrades. We can just upgrade your undertow and it will be sure used, and it will be fixed. And here we have no direct upgrade or patch, so maybe this is something I'm not sure to understand exactly what it means, but no direct upgrade. So probably we need to upgrade something to be another things. This is like link dependencies maybe, but I'm not sure. And anyway, for example, we have this issue was fixed in version, and so it gives us the version we need to implement, we need to use. And yes, so test2 project to contain vulnerability paths. It's quite simple, and that's all. So we finished with Snyk. Just some details about that. We can also scanning a dependency when you launch your CI/CD. And because we are very smart in the JHiupster frame community, we did it for you when you run the CI/CD subgenerator. So when you run the JHiupster CI/CD, and according to the option you choose, for example, for Jenkins, we add automatically the necessary steps to run Snyk automatically and check your vulnerabilities. And that's all. So I will not do the test right now because I know Pierre is very impatient to see the JHiupster control center and is right. So we will skip that and go direct